Yeah. Once again, you know the slogan. It is what it is. Went to Berry and Sons Halal Slaughterhouse at Easter Market on the east side of Detroit today. It's on Gratiot and Orleans Street. So what we have here is the lamb chops. You got fresh cut lamb chops cut the right way. You got the right seasonings that I like to use. You got the white pepper, not black pepper, white pepper, ground white pepper. You got the 100% pure maple syrup from the streets of Toronto, Canada. You got Famous Days rib rub. I use it on everything. I use it on everything. Um, so basically, we mix all the ingredients in. We do it with love because when you do it with love, everything turns out how it's supposed to turn out. So in about 180 minutes, that's roughly 2.5 hours. We're going to take real good care of these lamb chops, and then we're going to show you the after. So this the before. Salute.